Hi, myself Anjana, you are 15CS041. Today I am going to do my ninth experiment. I have get a question as I have to make a calculator using event handling, and for that I have started my program, and I have two header files, java.awt and awt.event, and after that I have made a class calculator which implements the action listener. And action listener, after that I have initialized required variables here, string variables, and I have to make a frame, and I have to get 17 buttons, so I have taken 17 buttons, and I have one panel text field, and I have to give the grid layout, and inside, after that I have to give the constructor of a calculator, and inside the constructor first I have to uh, we declare the variable for the frame. Thus f is equal to new frame, and in that frame you can give any name. I am giving as my calculator, and here panel is also initialized, variable is initialized, and f dot set layout, and a new layout is setting here for this frame, and inside that we are having 17 buttons, and 17 buttons we are initializing that buttons, and we are also add action listener this, we have to add this to the action listener, so we are adding to this like that, from 0 to 9 we are giving the numbers here, and after that we are having plus minus, multiplication, modulus, division, modulus, equal to, and clear. All these 19 will be used for our calculating purposes, and that will be initialized, and also we will be adding that to the action listener using the syntax button dot add action listener of this. And after that we have to create an object of text field, and that will be a size of 20, and we will be adding that text field f dot at frame, to that frame we will be adding, so we will be giving add f dot add text field. And after that we have a grid layout. Grid layout is actually, you have to set the size of your calculator, what should be the size. Here I have given 4, 4, 10 and 20 size, width, length, everything is given here, and we have to set this layout to the panel. So we are giving the object of the panel p dot set layout of g, and after that g equal to new grid layout 4, 4, 10, 20, and here we are giving, sorry, I have already explained about this layout, and after that we have to add all these buttons to our panel. So we are adding these buttons using the object of the panel. So we are adding p dot add b1, add b2, like that till 17, and inside, so all these are inserted using the panel. Now we have to insert this panel in our frame. So we are adding this panel p using the object of our frame f dot add p, and f frame is our main thing that we have, and inside that we have panel, and inside that we have buttons, text fields, etc. So here we add the panel to the frame. After that, as we know, add, set size, visibility is three function that we are having necessary for using a frame. So first we are add everything, and now we have to set the size. We are setting the size of this calculator, and also if you are giving this visibility is a boolean, it's following the boolean things, so we have to give true or false here. Only if you give true only, then it will be showing all these things what we are added and what we are set in this calculator. Next we have action performed. Here for action listener we have to get action performed. Here we are adding everything in the action listener, and we have to perform the actions what we have to do in the action perform. So we will be doing the actions using this action perform. For that, first we have three strings here, s3, s4 and s5, and we have to get the text. So for getting the text from the user, we are getting the object of text field dot get text, and equal to 0 means s3 plus s4 equal to, we will be getting the answer as s5. Likewise for b1, b2, b3 and everything, we are adding from 0 to 9 numbers, we are adding like that. Here you can see 0 to 9 numbers we are adding like that, and from here b1 we will be giving as just a semicolon, that is equal to c, and 12 means c12. When we are pressing the button to b12 means it is equal to c2, and when you are pressing 13 it will be C3, 14 it will be C4, C5. Actually why we are giving is like that, we have to perform some operation in in these buttons. As you can see here, from the button 10 onwards we are having arithmetic operations, plus, minus, multiplication, etc. So in order to perform this function, we have to get some switch case or something. For that we have given, if you are pressing that button it should be C3 like that. So we will be going to see that choices. Here you can see when the 16th button, and here if C equal to 1, as we said C is equal to 1 is addition, so they should add the first number plus add the second number, and that value should be returned to the text field. So if it is equal to C equal to 2 means it should be minus, if C equal to 3 means it should be multiplication, and likewise. And the fourth one is division. Actually when the division is divided by 0, it should get we should get that it's invalid. For that we are using try and catch here. First we will be, if it is okay, p is not less than q means sorry, q is not less than p means you can divide as normally, but if it is less means we have to give that infinite. And after that the exception is handling here using exception handling, and C5 is equal to modulus, and last 17 button is for clearing everything. We just have to clear entire data and we can to do the next calculation. So now let's run the program and see. As you can see, the program is running successfully. Now we will check whether it is working properly. I'm adding 1 plus 2 equal to, it's giving 3, and if you are minus 4 minus, sorry, 4 minus 2, it's giving 2, and 3 into 2, it's giving 6. Everything is working properly. So this program is running successfully, and you can see the calculator. What we are expected to get is in this one, and it's working properly. So that's it for the program. Thank you.